Forget crunches. They are not just boring, they are often a complete waste of time if your goal is a flat, strong stomach. Today I'm going to show you 3 powerful core exercises that actually tighten your midsection, flatten your belly, and improve posture, all without a single crunch. Sit up, fancy gym machine. And here's the best part. You can do them anywhere, anytime, no equipment required. Stick with me until the end because I'll also share a few lifestyle hacks that speed up fat loss and help reveal those abs faster. Exercise number 1, stomach vacuum. First up is one of the most underrated moves of all time, the stomach vacuum. This exercise targets your transverse abdominis, the deepest core muscle in your body. While crunches build your abs outward, the stomach vacuum pulls your stomach inward, naturally creating the appearance of a slimmer waist. It also improves posture, supports your spine, and is even used by bodybuilders and Pilates practitioners to carve that cinched waist look. How to do it? Stand tall, kneel, or even lie on your back. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Exhale completely, then suck your stomach inward toward your spine. Hold that contraction for 10 to 20 seconds. Breathe lightly while keeping your core pulled in. Start with 3 sets of 10 to 15 seconds and work up to 60-second holds. For best results, do this first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Bonus tip, try practicing this while walking or sitting at your desk. It burns extra calories and trains your core throughout the day. Exercise number 2, dead bug with heel tap. The second move is called the dead bug with heel tap. Don't let the funny name fool you. This one's a powerhouse for your core. It builds strength deep in your abs without straining your lower back, teaching your core to stabilize while your arms and legs move. How to do it? Lie on your back, arms reaching toward the ceiling. Bend your knees into a 90-degree tabletop position. Slowly lower your right heel toward the ground as your left arm extends forward. Keep your lower back pressed firmly against the floor. Return to the start, then switch sides. Go slow and controlled. Remember, smooth is fast and fast is smooth. Do 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps per side. Beginner tip: only lower halfway if you can't keep your back flat. Advanced tip: add ankle weights or fully extend your legs for extra tension. Exercise number 3, side plank with hip dips. The third exercise is the side plank with hip dips. This move targets your obliques, the muscles that shape your waistline, while also strengthening your shoulders and hips. How to do it? Lie on your side with your elbow under your shoulder and legs stacked. Lift your hips so your body forms a straight line. Slowly lower your hips toward the floor without touching it, then lift back up. Perform 10 to 12 reps per side for 3 sets. Form tip: keep your neck neutral, shoulders stacked, and squeeze your glutes for stability. Imagine holding a $100 bill between your glutes. You don't want to drop it. Beginner modification: drop your bottom knee to the ground. Advanced modification: add a twist at the top by reaching your arm under your torso. Lifestyle hacks for flat abs. Now here's the truth: abs are revealed in the kitchen, not just the gym. These exercises tighten your core, improve posture, and build strength. But if you want visible definition, you also need to focus on daily habits. Here are 4 essentials. 1. Walk daily. Aim for 10,000 steps per day. Walking after meals helps burn fat and control blood sugar. 2. Eat enough protein, about 1 gram per pound of your ideal body weight. Protein preserves muscle and speeds up metabolism. 3. Stay hydrated. Drink clean water and balance electrolytes to reduce bloating. 4. Sleep well. Quality sleep is when your body burns fat, repairs muscles, and lowers inflammation. Do these consistently along with the 3 exercises, and week after week you'll notice your core not only feels stronger but also looks more defined. So, to recap, the stomach vacuum pulls your waistline inward. The dead bug with heel tap builds functional deep core strength. The side plank with hip dips sculpts your obliques and stabilizes. Combine these with smart daily habits and you'll start to see and feel the difference. Forget crunches. With just a few minutes a day, you can flatten your belly, protect your spine, and build a strong, confident core. Thanks for watching. Now it's your turn. Give these moves a try and let me know in the comments which one you felt the most.